Welcome to the best pick. The best shock spring compressor is probably one of the most essential tools for any DIY mechanic or automotive enthusiast looking to safely and efficiently service or replace suspension components, allowing for the controlled compression of coil springs, a critical step in disassembling and reassembling shock absorber assemblies without risking injury or damaging the parts involved. Number 5. Orion Motor Tech Macpherson Strut Spring Compressor Tool Set. Introducing the Orion Motor Tech Macpherson Strut Spring Compressor Tool Set. This heavy-duty set is designed to handle suspension maintenance on most small and medium-sized cars. Featuring Acme threaded rods and detent pins, these tools ensure a firm and secure grip on springs. You can rely on non-slip compression for safe and precise work. Our tools are compatible with both 1/2-inch square drive and 13/16-inch hex sockets. With a 10.5-inch range, they work with a wider variety of vehicles than other options. Constructed from heat-treated steel with a black oxide finish and zinc-coated heads, these compressors are built to last. They offer high durability and corrosion resistance, even under tough conditions. This set comes with a convenient blow-molded case. It keeps everything organized, making it easy to carry, store, and access whenever you need it for your next repair job. What we like. This tool offers a wide compatibility range, making it suitable for most small and medium-sized cars. Its Acme threaded rods ensure a firm and secure grip on springs, providing reliable, non-slip compression for safe and precise work. If you're looking for a dependable option that covers a broad spectrum of vehicles and prioritizes safety, this is a solid choice. What people say. The build feels sturdy and the hooks and threaded rods handle compression smoothly without binding or feeling unsafe. It compresses evenly and holds tension without slipping when you take your time with it. There is a locking pin that holds the compressors in place that makes these compressors much safer than my old set. Number 4. Fekuar 15 Heavy-Duty Coil Spring Compressor Tool. Experience professional performance with our heat-treated, drop-forged jaws and lead screws. They are built to last and ensure your work is done right. Easily remove and replace coil springs when working on shock absorbers, spring sets, or struts. This tool makes complex repairs simple and efficient. Enjoy a sleek, all-black powder-coated finish that not only looks great but also provides a durable, corrosion-resistant surface for long-term use. Crafted from drop-forged, heat-treated steel with precision machined bolts, this heavy-duty tool is designed for the toughest automotive and truck suspension jobs. The strong steel jaws securely grip coil springs, providing a safe and stable connection for both removal and installation of auto and truck coil springs and struts. With a maximum jaw opening of 15 inches and a minimum jaw distance of 4 inches, this tool offers the versatility needed to handle a wide range of spring sizes. What we like. With its impressive 15-inch long lead screws and heavy-duty construction, this tool is built for demanding tasks. It's ideal for removing and installing coil springs to replace or repair shock absorbers, spring sets, and struts. If you frequently work on vehicles that require significant compression or are looking for a tool that offers extended reach and robust performance, this is the one to consider. What people say. They worked well in my situation, and I am sure they are plenty strong to compress even the stiffest spring. They are heavy-duty iron, or steel. They are an inch longer than the other spring compressors out there. These work surprisingly well for a home install of a Jeep lift spring. I just use them on the rears. I don't know if I would use it on a coilovers, but fine on standard spring. They were exactly what I needed to hold the front springs on my 97 Buick Park Avenue. 'Cause no one sells a complete strut assembly for that model and year. Number 3. BILITOOLS Universal Strut Spreader Tool. Tired of struggling with strut removal? This tool makes it a breeze, saving you time and frustration. It effortlessly expands spring struts and ball joints in seconds. This versatile tool is designed to work with a wide range of vehicles, including popular brands like Volkswagen, Audi, BMW, and Ford. It's your go-to for most vehicles with pinch-bolt hubs. Work with confidence thanks to its parallel double-ended design. This ensures equal force is applied, minimizing the risk of damage and guaranteeing a safe operation every time. Crafted from high-hardness carbon steel, this tool is built for exceptional strength and durability. You can rely on its robust construction for demanding, frequent use. With a spreading range of 5.0 to 10.5 mm and a maximum torque of 120 Nm, this tool is engineered for optimal performance. It's designed for use with a 19 mm or 3/8 drive ratchet wrench. Please remember to only use manual tools for operation. Do not use power tools or air tools with this strut spreader to ensure safety and prevent damage. What we like. This strut spreader tool is designed for effortless strut removal and installation, saving you time and effort. Its universal application means it works on most vehicles with pinch bolt hubs, including popular brands like VW, Audi, and BMW. If you prioritize a tool that simplifies the process, minimizes the risk of damage with its parallel design, and offers broad compatibility, this is an excellent option. What people say. This tool is very well made and feels very sturdy. It is easy to use and makes changing springs a breeze. The safety features on this tool are excellent and give peace of mind. Number 2. Heavy-duty coil spring compressor set. Introducing our heavy-duty coil spring compressor set, designed for a wide range of vehicles. It's built to handle demanding tasks with ease. This versatile tool fits most automobiles, motorcycles, ATVs, and trucks. Its adjustable jaws accommodate various coil and hook sizes for maximum compatibility. Constructed from heat-treated 45 steel with drop-forged hooks, it offers exceptional strength and durability. The galvanized finish ensures resistance to corrosion and rust. Equipped with an adjustable safety bracket, it prevents accidental pressure release and ensures stable, parallel compression. It can safely handle up to 2,200 pounds of load. The hook jaws feature a secure locking mechanism, providing increased safety and protection during operation. You can trust its robust design. Compressing springs is simple with the rotating hex socket and included hex wrench for tightening small screws. This kit makes the job efficient and convenient. What we like. Safety is paramount with this tool, featuring a safety bracket to prevent accidental pressure release and a high capacity of 2,200 pounds. It's designed for a wide range of vehicles, from cars and trucks to ATVs and UTVs. If you're working on larger vehicles or simply want the added peace of mind that comes with enhanced safety features and a robust load capacity, this compressor is a great pick. What people say. Made it so easy and they never slipped once. Stayed firm when pulling the shock coil springs together. This jaw lock-on compression design was my first choice for coil spring compression. I used it right after it was delivered and it was easy, had a quick-to-the-point mini instruction sheet, they worked fast and flawlessly. I was impressed with the jaw's no-slip, secure lock-on design. Very happy with the quality. It was easy to use even with a simple ratchet wrench, only requiring a handful of minutes to fully compress the springs on the struts for my Ford Fiesta. Number 1. DASBET Macpherson Strut Spring Compressor Kit. Experience superior durability with our tool, forged from high-carbon steel. It boasts high hardness, excellent wear resistance, and is designed for a long service life. This kit features 3 different yoke sizes, accommodating springs from 65 mm to 212 mm. It's designed to meet your diverse needs for replacing coil springs. The jaws are equipped with a safety lip that locks the spring securely during compression, ensuring operator safety. A protective cover also prevents damage to the spring's surface. This tool is specifically designed for the assembly and disassembly of Macpherson shock absorber springs. It's an indispensable part of your automotive toolkit. It is compatible with BMW and Mercedes-Benz vehicles. Remember to always use safety glasses and gloves, and never use impact wrenches with this tool. The set includes a compression rod, yokes, an adjustment hook, fixing screws, and a convenient blow case for easy carrying and storage. What we like. This kit stands out with its 3 different yoke sizes, offering exceptional versatility for various shock absorber spring dimensions. It also includes a protective sleeve to prevent damage to lacquered spring surfaces. If you need a highly adaptable tool that can handle a wide array of spring sizes and protects your components during the process, this interchangeable set is ideal for your needs. What people say. Product works great. Easy to work with and quality design very good. I like how it has the plastic to protect the spring so it doesn't get scratched. The build quality feels sturdy, with well-machined threads that operated smoothly throughout my work. The interchangeable forks were a nice touch, offering flexibility for different spring sizes. I also liked the compact design, making it easier to use in tighter spaces. The locking mechanism worked as expected and gave me confidence while compressing springs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.